Welcome to the Deep Dive, where we take your stack of sources and extract the knowledge you need fast.
Today, we're tackling a big one for anyone in e-commerce.
A really big one. We're putting two major dropshipping platforms head-to-head, AutoDS and CJDropshipping.
And our deep dive shows it's really about picking your poison or your business model.
The mission today is to help you understand the real choice here. It's basically pure automation versus total manual control.
That's the core of it. The sources make it so clear. These platforms, they solve completely different problems. You're not just picking the best one.
You're picking a foundation, speed versus customization.
Exactly.
Okay, so let's start with the most obvious difference, the money.
Right. AutoDS is a subscription. You're paying for that automation.
And that starts at, what, around $19.90 a month for 200 products?
Yeah, and it scales up. If you want 1,000 products, you're looking at something like $67 a month.
Okay, and on the other side, CJ Dropshipping.
That one's famous for being free. 0 monthly fees, you just pay for the product when you sell it.
But free is never really free, is it? The forums suggest there are, hidden costs in shipping and price changes.
That price difference really highlights the massive automation gap between them.
Let's talk about that. What does that automation get you with AutoDS?
I mean, it's built for speed, it pulls in products for you, it monitors prices from suppliers every hour.
And it works with, 25 different suppliers. Amazon, Walmart, all the big ones.
All the big ones. It processes the orders, syncs the tracking. The sources estimate it saves a user about 15 hours a week.
15 hours?
Yeah.
Just on inventory and order management.
Just on that tedious stuff, yeah.
Wow. Okay, so now paint the picture for CJ Dropshipping. It sounds like the complete opposite.
It is. It's profoundly hands-on. You are manually picking every single product. You're overseeing the fulfillment, talking directly to your agent.
So you have a lot more control.
Total control, which is great for quality, but that manual process, it collapses under volume.
What do you mean by that?
Managing 5 orders a day. You can do it, but try 50. The entire model just becomes an administrative nightmare.
Okay, so we've got the sales pitch for both. Now let's get into the dark side. The real-world complaints.
This is where it gets really interesting. Let's start with AutoDS.
The automation champion, but it has an F rating on the Better Business Bureau.
45 unanswered complaints? That's not great.
And users are reporting some serious issues. Unexpected charges, one seller losing $900 because of a currency glitch that the platform just refused to fix.
And that points to the core risk. The whole system runs on an API. It's a connection to the supplier's data.
And when that connection gets it wrong,
the platform can sync the wrong price and poof, the seller loses hundreds on a single mistake.
Okay, so that's a big tech risk. What about the problems with CJ Dropshipping? Are they similar?
Not at all. It's less about tech failure and more about, human-managed chaos.
Fulfillment chaos.
Exactly. The complaints are all about massive delays. An order will say it's shipped, but it could take 20, even 30 days to actually arrive.
That's a long time.
And worse, you might pay for a product that was listed as in stock, only to find out later that it's gone. The manual inventory just wasn't accurate.
So on one side, you have these automated tech and billing failures.
Yeah.
On the other, human-driven fulfillment nightmares. Is there any silver lining for CJ?
There is, and it's a big one. Branding. Despite all the headaches, CJ Dropshipping gives you manufacturer direct pricing, custom packaging, even print on demand.
Things you just don't get with AutoDS.
Not at all. With CJ, you can actually build a cohesive, recognizable brand, and that's a massive advantage.
So let's bring this all together for someone listening. What does this all mean for you?
I mean, it's pretty clear. Your business model dictates your platform. There's no single right answer.
So if you need that hands-off automation, if you're running multiple stores and you just need speed,
then AutoDS is probably your winner as long as you can accept those documented billing risks.
But if you're on a tight budget and building a real brand with custom packaging is your priority,
then CJ Dropshipping is the better fit. You just have to be ready for the manual work and the fulfillment headaches.
So anyone telling you one is just flat out better than the other?
They're selling you something. A dream.
So a final thought for you to consider. We know AutoDS can save you 15 hours a week. You can put a dollar amount on that time.
Right. It's quantifiable. But how do you quantify the business value of a customizable, cohesive brand identity, which is what CJ enables? That choice between velocity and brand might just define the entire future of your business.